Hi, my name is Joe Dehner. I'm Director of the Interior and Exterior Design for the all-new 2008 Chrysler Sebring Convertible that you see right here. This is the limited version. It has a retractable hardtop, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you right now. This retractable hardtop has three sheet metal panels that all nest within one another when they go into the trunk compartment. It's really unique, really a symphony of movement here as you see all these panels and all these movements of all these mechanical linkages coming together. It's really quite unique. Let me take you around to the front and I'll tell you about some of the design cues. The Sebring convertible really launches off of the Sebring sedan that we introduced here several months ago. There's a lot of shared componentry. The sedan was actually inspired by the 2003 Geneva Motor Show show car, the Chrysler Airflight, and that really established a very expressive front end design that we used on the sedan, and for design consistency and a family look within the Chrysler showroom, we wanted to utilize on the Sebring. Has a very expressive face of Chrysler headlamp design. Has unique hood strakes, which we show on other Chrysler products within the showroom. Very expressive grille with some chrome accents. That rather nice statement that complement the headlamp design. And the lower air intake feature is pretty unique, and it's augmented with two fixed fog lamp pockets. As you come around to the body side, it's still a pretty dramatic sculpted statement. It's very Chrysler-esque. It uses a lot of the shared components and some of the shared graphics and design cues from the sedan. This is once again unlimited, so you have an 18-inch chrome-clad wheel, which is a nice big statement. It really reinforces the athletic attributes of the car. Once again, the sculpted body side with a fair amount of grace in how those lines are drawn and how it complements the rear end design. One thing about a convertible is not only does it have to look good with the top up, but also the top down, and I think most customers will appreciate how clean the interior is on this design and how it nets out to the exterior sheet metal. And the cream color that you see on the interior is pretty complementary to this red that you see. The interior design aspects were just as important on the exterior from the expressiveness and the sculpted qualities that we were looking for. Let me take you through the interior. I touched on the cream color. It's a very upscale, very luxurious type of statement, and not only does it look good, but it also, when the top is up with a pearl color headliner, really helps open up the car and make it look very commodious. It's a true four-passenger vehicle. It has a very unique Chrysler DNA, if you will, on the instrument panel. And one of the unique features of this vehicle is the fact that from the onset of the design, it was important to have a design Chrysler Q in the instrument panel design. So if you imagine this Chrysler clock as the Chrysler seal, and then this motif as the wings, it's almost as if there's a set of Chrysler wings designed into the instrument panel. And that was very important from the beginning. We thought it was a pretty clever statement. It's something that really helps build the brand identity right into the vehicle. To augment that, we've got a fair amount of tortoiseshell on the instrument panel, the door panels, and then the steering wheel. And then also the use of satin silver and alloy silver accents help reinforce that luxurious statement. We're going to go ahead and cycle the roof up, and at the same time we'll show you how cavernous the trunk is and show you the luggage capacity. This is pretty impressive. This is the luggage protector for the convertible top, which folds up and out of the way, creates a lot of storage area there. The all-new 2008 Chrysler Sebring Convertible will be available in showrooms in the first quarter of 2007.